Ever wondered why an apple a day keeps the doctor away? An age-old saying, but it holds a kernel of truth. Apples, unassuming and commonplace, pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. First off, apples are incredibly rich in dietary fiber. This fiber aids in digestion, preventing issues such as constipation and stomach disorders. It also makes you feel full, which could help in weight management. Secondly, apples are a treasure trove of antioxidants. These little soldiers fight off harmful substances called free radicals, which can lead to chronic diseases like cancer. The antioxidants in apples, notably quercetin, catechin, and chlorogenic acid, serve as a protective shield for your body. Thirdly, apples contribute to heart health. They contain soluble fiber, which has been linked to a decreased risk of heart disease by lowering blood cholesterol levels. Also, their flavonoid content may assist in preventing hypertension. Fourthly, apples promote bone health. They contain a flavonoid called floridzin, which may protect postmenopausal women from osteoporosis. Also, the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds in apples could help enhance bone density. Lastly, apples are a boon for dental care. Though not a substitute for brushing, biting and chewing an apple stimulates the production of saliva, reducing the risk of tooth decay by lowering the levels of bacteria. To wrap it up, apples are nutritional powerhouses. They provide dietary fiber for good digestion, antioxidants for disease prevention, compounds for heart and bone health, and even offer benefits for dental care. So next time you bite into a crisp apple, know that you're doing a whole lot of good for your body. Remember, it's not just an apple, it's a bundle of health benefits. Enjoy your apple and relish in the knowledge that you're nourishing your body in so many ways.
Have you ever pondered the true importance of fruits in your diet? Today, we navigate the orchard of knowledge to uncover the myriad of benefits that fruits offer. First on our list is the humble apple. An apple a day does not just keep the doctor away, it also provides a wealth of antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. These nutrients bolster your immune system, support heart health, and contribute to weight loss. Next, we venture into the world of citrus with the ever-popular orange. This juicy fruit is loaded with vitamin C, potassium, and dietary fiber. Regular consumption of oranges can contribute to improved heart health, enhanced digestion, and a stronger immune system. The third fruit on our list is the banana. With high levels of potassium and vitamin B6, bananas are excellent for maintaining blood pressure and heart health. They also provide a quick energy boost and can help in managing weight and reducing stress. Fourth, we have the sweet and succulent strawberries. These ruby red delights are packed with antioxidants known as polyphenols, vitamin C, manganese, and folate. Regular consumption of strawberries can help maintain good eye health, reduce inflammation, and help in regulating blood sugar levels. Fifth on our list is the exotic and flavorful mango. This tropical fruit is not just delicious, but also rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Mangoes contribute to better eye health, improved digestion, and a strengthened immune system. Next, we turn to the blueberry, a small fruit with a big nutritional punch. Blueberries are an antioxidant powerhouse, rich in vitamins C and K and fiber. Regular intake of blueberries can help slow down brain aging, support heart health, and improve skin health. Finally, we have the pomegranate, a fruit that is as beautiful as it is beneficial. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. They can help lower blood pressure, fight certain types of cancer, and support heart health. In conclusion, fruits are treasure troves of vital nutrients and antioxidants that can boost your health in numerous ways. From apples to pomegranates, each fruit offers unique benefits, be it enhancing your immune system, improving digestion, supporting heart health, or providing energy. Remember, the key to reaping these benefits is variety and consistency in consumption. So, don't shy away from adding a colorful mix of fruits to your diet. Your body will thank you for it.
Ever pondered about the quality of your current diet and its impact on your overall health? Well, today we're going to unravel the mystery of the best diet plan for maintaining optimal health. Starting off, it's crucial to understand that a balanced diet is the cornerstone of good health. This means a variety of food items from all the food groups in the right proportions and consumed at the right time. Step 1. Begin your day with a hearty breakfast. This is the most important meal of the day. It fuels your body after a long night's fast. Think whole grains, lean protein, fruits and vegetables. A bowl of oats with mixed berries or a vegetable omelette with whole grain toast could be a good start. Step 2. Snack smart. Reach for nuts, seeds, fruits and yogurt when hunger pangs strike between meals. These are nutrient-dense foods that keep you feeling full longer, preventing overeating at mealtimes. Step 3. Lunch should be a balanced mix of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. A quinoa salad with grilled chicken, mixed veggies and a drizzle of olive oil is an example of a balanced, nutritious lunch. Step 4. Dinner should be light and easily digestible. Grilled fish with steamed vegetables or a lentil soup with whole grain bread are excellent choices. Step 5. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. It aids digestion, keeps the skin glowing and helps flush out toxins. Now, let's summarize the important points. A balanced diet includes a variety of food items from all food groups. Start your day with a hearty breakfast. Snack smart to prevent overeating. Lunch should be a balanced mix of macronutrients. Dinner should be light and easily digestible, and don't forget to drink plenty of water. The best food items for maintaining good health are whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds. These are nutrient-dense foods that provide the body with the necessary vitamins, minerals and antioxidants for optimal functioning. Remember, the best diet is not a one-size-fits-all affair. It varies based on individual health conditions, lifestyle and personal preferences. But the principles of balance, variety and moderation hold true for everyone. So go ahead, incorporate these golden rules into your daily diet and enjoy the journey towards better health. You're not just feeding your body, you're nourishing your well-being.